are for shaping material things so that they cater more for the comfort of man. Studies are for shaping attitudes, feelings, desires, emotions, and impulses of man so that they may confer more peace, more joy, and more fortitude on man. It gives me quite an ecstasy to welcome all of you all to SDC's 9th Annual Day celebration, Archana 2012, ultimately revolutionizing attitudes, feelings, desires, emotions, and impulses of skills. Quite an industrious effort. Let's have a loud round of applause for SDC's efforts. It is really amazing to see many of you here amidst the cold weather that is creating hassles outside. Before giving a kickstart to Archana 2012, let me quote a few words on SDC. SDC, founded in 2002, had been inaugurated by Sri Kaidapram Damodaran Nambudiri, versatile lyricist and film personality. This leading arts and cultural center is in the process of evolving a new system wherein tradition and modernity goes hand in hand. SDC is a secular institute promoting intellectual and cultural interaction among Qataris and expatriates of all other nationalities living in Qatar. This institute moves with their mission and vision dedicated to preserving and promoting the ancient Indian art forms and to continue providing quality education in Indian tradition and culture through the performing arts of vocal and instrumental music, classical and folk dances, and performing arts, valuing modernity art and dance forms. All students are provided with an opportunity to perform before an encouraging audience consisting of their parents, friends, and well-wishers in annual events, and I believe Archana 2012, venued at Gulf Cinema, would be the most perfect and flamboyant platform for my young friends. Hearty welcome once again to Archana 2012, powered by Nasser S. Al Hajri Corporation and Quick Fits Maintenance Company, co-sponsored by Lulu Hypermarket and support sponsored by Meridian Qatar, Oritz Qatar, CCL Qatar, Qatar Lubricants, Doha Bank, Creative Rent a Car Transport and Trading Contracting Company. Moving on, with freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, and memories in our souls, let us salute the nation on our Republic Day. Happy Republic Day to one and all. Archana 2012 proudly opens our cultural space for this evening with a patriotic song. As you all know, 26 January 1950 is one of the most important days in Indian history. It was on this day the Constitution of India came into force and India became a truly sovereign state. The patriotic fervor of the people on this day brings the whole country together and reinforces unity in diversity. The first item will be a patriotic song for this 9th Annual Day celebration, as we are quite proud to have it here on our Republic Day. Let's welcome them to the dais. quite proud to inform all of you all here that we have a very special chief guest for today's evening. Our chief guest for the day is Major Ghanim Saad Al-Qaidin, Head of Community Policing, Capital Police Headquarters. I'm also quite honored to inform you all that we have some eminent personalities from the education sector as our guests of honor for today's evening. We have a very special guest, Mr. Kumudu Fonseca, Chairman and Founder of Sri Lankan School in Qatar. He also holds the position of Chief Executive Manager of Grand Mercure Hotel and CEO of JBK Group. We also have Mr. C.V. Rappai, Chairman Birla Public School and Socio-Cultural Activist. He also holds the position of Director, General Manager, Jumbo Electronics. We have Mr. Salim Ponambat, President Bhavans Public School and active member of Indian community in Doha. We also have Mr. Faisal Hudawi, Public Relation Department, Ministry of Interiors. It's my pleasure to invite Mr. Vijay Kumar, Director SDC, to accompany our chief guest and all the guests of honor to the dais. I also request Managing Director, Mr. Baburaj sir, to come to the dais to deliver the welcome speech. Baburaj sir, please.
A very good evening to all and happy Republic Day. On behalf of Skills Development Center, I am really honored to extend a formal welcome to all of you who assembled here to share the joy of the 9th anniversary celebration of Skills Development Center. As you are aware, the Skills Development Center was started on 20th August 2002. Today we are very proud to celebrate our art school's 9th anniversary. This is a memorable occasion for us with a number of reasons. First of all, this is a proof that the Skills Development Center is capable of supporting the people of Doha in many ways. The Skills Development Center has achieved this position only because of the generous support from many of our people in Doha. Heartily welcome to all our guests and all of you. Enjoy the cultural fiesta. The performers are the young talents of our school, Skills Development Center. We have very special guest today, Major Ghanim Saad Al-Qaidin, Head of Community Policing, Capital Police Headquarters. Then we have another very special guest, Mr. Kumudu Fonseca and Mrs. Fonseca. He is a founder and chairman of Sri Lankan School in Doha and a community pillar of Sri Lankans residing in Doha. I wish to call him a resident ambassador of Sri Lankan community in Doha. Sir, on behalf of Skills family, a warm welcome to you in this auspicious occasion. We have Mr. C.V. Rappai, the chairman of Birla Public School, a well-known social activist of Indian community and a perfect businessman. Sir, for our institution, I welcome to you. We have another guest of honor, Mr. Salim Ponambat, President of Bhavans Public School and a well-known personality of Indian community in Qatar. Dear Salim, thank you very much for your presence in this August occasion. Dear friends, children, parents, we have another guest of today, Mr. Faisal Hudawi. He is from Public Department, Ministry of Interior. Thank you, sir, for your presence. Dear friends, children, parents, teachers, staff, and all other well-wishers of Skills Development Center, welcome all of you to this annual day celebration. We ensure you that it will be nurtured a better training environment in the Skills Development Center. Definitely, we will work towards excellence. Today, I am sure this annual day will enrich something to our knowledge about the items they perform. Once again, I welcome you all in this annual day program. Enjoy the performance of SDC family. Thank you.
Now I request our chief guest, Major Ghanim Saad Al-Qaedin, to officially inaugurate today's event, Archana 2012. Sir, please.
السلام عليكم. نرحب بالسيدات والسادة الحضور وأتقدم بجزيل الشكر لمركز تنمية المهارات على هذه الدعوة الكريمة. وانتهز الفرصة ويسرني في هذه المناسبة أن نقدم لكم التهنئة لكم ولبلدكم بمناسبة اليوم الوطني، متمنيا مزيد من التقدم والازدهار.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First of all, I would like to welcome you to this program, and I appreciate the officials of Skills Development Center for extending an invitation to the Ministry of Interior to take part in this program. And I take this opportunity to congratulate you, all the Indians, and the country of the Republic of India on the occasion of the Republic Day of India.
ويسرني انتهاز هذه الفرصة للحديث عن أحدث الاستراتيجيات في وزارة الداخلية والتي بدأت وزارة الداخلية في تطبيقها، وهي استراتيجية الشرطة المجتمعية.
I take this opportunity to speak about the community policing strategy, which is implemented by the Ministry of Interior recently in the state of Qatar.
الشرطة المجتمعية، جهاز الشرطة يقوم بعملها الأساسي في المحافظة في الوقاية من الجريمة والمحافظة على الأمن، ولكن استراتيجية الشرطة المجتمعية هو يقوم بنفس المهام باختصاصات وزارة الداخلية، ولكن بأسلوب خارج عن النطاق التقليدي لهذا العمل.
The Ministry of Interior is taking care of the duty of maintaining security in the country, but the concept of community policing is works out of the traditional method of police in anywhere in the world.
وهو مبدأ حديث نسبيا، بدأت العديد من الدول في تطبيقه، وهو يقوم على الشراكة المجتمعية بين جهاز الشرطة وبين المجتمع.
This is a new concept which is implemented in many parts of the many countries of the world, and it is a concept of partnership and communication between the police agencies and the individuals of society.
وهو يقوم على مبدأ بأن الأمن مسؤولية مشتركة يقع عبئها على جهاز الشرطة وكذلك على المجتمع بجميع فئاته، أفراد ومؤسسات.
This concept means that the security is a joint responsibility, and which is not achieved without the cooperation between the police agencies and members of the community.
وهذا المبدأ يتناسب مع التطورات الحديثة التي طرأت على المجتمعات سواء في جميع المستويات، ومنها التطور في الجريمة.
As you know, this is a new concept which is suitable to the developments witnessed by the world at present, and like that, the development in the crime field also needs this new concept to fight the crime.
وفي سبيل تطبيق هذه الاستراتيجية، فنحن بدأنا في عملنا بالتواصل مع المجتمع بفئاته، وما وجودنا اليوم وما شاهدتم من عرض الأفلام للتوعية إلا جزء من عملنا كشرطة مجتمعية.
As a part of application of this new strategy, we have started to communicate with the members of the community. As you have seen today, the awareness film produced by the Ministry of Interior, we are reaching out to the community members through various mediums of communication.
ونحن في سبيلنا لمزيد من التواصل والتداخل مع أفراد المجتمع للتوعية، ليكون أفراد المجتمع شريكا فعالا في المحافظة على الأمن في المجتمع.
In order to make the members of the community partners in preserving the security in the country, inshallah in the future, we will be interacting and communicating with you more and more.
وفي النهاية يسرني أعيد شكري لمركز تنمية المهارات على هذه الفرصة، متمنى للجميع حسن الإقامة في هذا البلد في جو مستقر وآمن للجميع إن شاء الله.
I take this opportunity to extend my sincere thanks for the Skills Development Center, and I wish them all the success and prosperity in their future endeavors.
وشكرا.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Moving on to our guest of honor speech, it's my pleasure again to welcome Mr. Kumudu Fonseca to deliver the guest of honor speech. Sir, please.
Good evening to you, all of you, chief guests, guest of honors, and Skill Development Center, the organizers, inspire us to children to develop their skills for the future of this world, not just India. It is an excellent occasion for me to address, but I was not prepared, but for children, I am always there. In fact, she mentioned attitude. For me, attitude is everything. Respect, dedication, devotion, excellence, all good things, love, affection, gratitude, all that is attitude. And skill development is taking the development and lead to these children to inspire with these good values, the spirit of human beings. We are all symbols of life, and if I put it, most of us live for the sake of the symbol. But skill development organization and our schools are dedicated for very important thing. Not for just for the sake of symbol, but to make them to live for the art of the symbol and of the science of the symbol, which is very important. You will be witnessing in few minutes' time what they have done. The art of the symbol and the science of the symbol you will see. And this will be grow, and we will lead for the future. I'm not going to talk all throughout, and I'm giving my best gratitude to the organizers. Give a round of applause for all of them. It's not us, it is them. And you will be witnessing fine entertainment of our children. The future of our world is in their hands. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Moving on to the next guest of honor, we have Mr.